hit the bell icon and do subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Happy coding with NR Tech Studio.
Welcome back, netizens. In this video, I'll try to explain the code level implementation of bubble sort. You can check out my previous video in the description to have an idea of what bubble sort is. Go to that video and coming back to this to learn how to code a bubble sort algorithm. For this, I'm using an online Java compiler so that I don't need to install any type of softwares. Follow me, then you also can train yourself for the quick interview makeups to practice these type of questions. Okay guys, let's get started with today's session. Here's the online Java compiler. This is the by default settings that they have printed out system.out.println, just a hello world print out. You can simply erase it and start your coding from here. Okay, in the main method, first you have to declare an array for the sorting problem. So let me declare an array. Just type 8, 2, 6, 9. Okay, this is our array that to be sorted, and you can just put a system.print statement to print out our array. For this, you have to use a Java library. I'll import that one at the end. You can import Java arrays library, arrays to string. You can print out the array that we have defined in the top. Okay, now that's okay. Now to this function to be work out, you have to import the Java arrays library. Import anything that you can do in the online editor, no need to be worried, anything you can do. These are the quick environment setups that you can practice for your interview makeups as well. No need to install any type of editors or Eclipse or IDE or anything, that you can just come into this online portal and try out your solid outputs. Okay, now that one is okay. Now you have to define a function to sort the array. Let's say that we have created a function called sort array for the sorting purpose. So let me code that one, sort array. This is the function to be implemented for sorting algorithm, bubble sort algorithm. To this array, we have to pass that array we have defined in the previous step. Okay, now we have to copy that and paste it here. This array should be passed to that function. After that one, again we can print the array. Once the array is sorted, it should be printed in the ascending order. So the first step is done. Now we have to implement the function, sort array function. Okay, since we are calling this function from the static method of our main, we have to implement this function also as a static method, because we are not creating any objects to access our this class function. So we have to create this also as a static method, then only we can access this. Otherwise there will be an error pointing out that you can't access static, you can't access any type of functions from the static code. Okay, likewise there will be an error. So you have to define this function also as a static function. For the static, return type should be void. Sort array, you have to pass the array. then the method body. Okay, first you have to store the array length in a variable because we are going to iterate through the array. So we have to store the length of the array in a variable called length. Then after that we have to take array length. After that we have to start a for loop to iterate within the array. Okay, so starting the for loop, int I equal to 0, we have to iterate until the array length minus 1 because we have to start from the 0th element and we have to iterate until the end of the array. Okay, so always it should be always less than 1 to the array length. Okay, smaller than 1. Okay, then should be implemented. Now within this for loop we have to create another for loop to iterate until each and every each time that if you watch my previous video, I have implemented the surface idea of the bubble sort. Each time we have to start that I have explained there that passes, pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, like us there were 3 passes. Okay, so each time it is starting from 0th element and going up to the array element. So that loop we have to implement it inside this main for loop. Okay, so you have to declare another variable j equals 0, that is also starting from 0, and that should be smaller than length minus 1 minus I because each time it's going up to the this element length. Okay, if you check out that video you will get a definitely you will get a clear idea, otherwise you can't understand this clearly. I have implemented a very clear explanation in the previous video. Please check it that video as well. After this for loop you have to create a if condition to check which element is greater than the other element. Okay, so that's for that one you can access the array element like this, int array jth element is greater than int array j plus 1. It's comparing the contiguous blocks. Then after that only starting the swapping functions. Okay, if that element is greater than the second element, it is swapped. So here, if the int array j is greater than j plus 1, it's storing that int array j into a temporary variable called int temp. Okay, for a temporary variable, we are storing that int array j so that we can swap that one later. Then again we are swapping that int array j plus 1 into the int array j position. Okay, so you can clearly understand this one if you watch that video. This video I have created for the implementation part. Just refer that as well. And you can understand very good. Array j plus 1. Okay. Then after that Again, we are swapping that temp variable into int array j plus 1. I think now we are done with the implementation. Let's check it out. This is the array. This is, we have to convert this one in the ascending order, like start from 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be the order. Let's execute and check. There's an array. Check. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, I think it's working out. 7, 8, 2, 6, 9. That is the first array. After the bubble sort implementation, it's coming in the ascending 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we are done with the bubble sort. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Thank you very much, guys. Happy coding with Enna Text Studio. See you in the next episode. Good luck, guys.
If you found this channel helpful, hit the bell icon and do subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Happy coding with NR Tech Studio.